This will be a speed test between the LG G7 ThinQ versus the Google Pixel 2 XL. Now the G7 has the Snapdragon 845, the Pixel 2 XL has the Snapdragon 835. Both have 4 gigs of RAM. Pixel 2 XL has nice and bone stock Android Oreo. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn on both at the same time. See which one has the faster boot up. Let's go. Pixel 2 XL probably has the fastest boot up ever. And we are in! There's nothing in the background on both. So let's get started by tapping the messaging app. Camera on both. Give that to the Pixel 2. Calculator. Pixel 2 again. There you go. Clock on both phones. Pixel 2, start the stopwatch and leave that running in the background. Play Store. Call that one a tie. Click on this one. Leave it on that page. eBay on both. Click on this one and leave it on that page. Baseball app. Ooh, very close, but I think the Pixel 2 XL got that one also. NBA app. And give that to the G7. Open the browsers on both phones. And let's go to Amazon right now. And I think the Pixel 2 was a little bit ahead. We'll just scroll through this, give you an idea of the browsing experience. Very fast on both. Go to the full site. There you go. Pinch to zoom. Close it out. Super Mario Run. Loading on both. And the G7, a little bit faster. Tap to begin. A little bit faster on the right though. Once you get in the game, close it out. Subway Surf. Subway Surfers, Venice Beach. Loading on both right now. And give this to the G7. Tap to play. Close it out. Temple Run 2. Temple Run 2 Lost Jungle. And the G7 is a little bit ahead. We'll confirm that right now. And give this to the G7. Tap to play. Close it out. Angry Birds 2. Starting up and logging in. G7's ahead. Will the Pixel catch up? No, it does not. And give this win to the G7. A little bit of a lag on the Pixel 2. CSR Racing 2. Hearing noise from the G7. And give this win to the G7. Close it out. Instagram on both phones. Give that to the G7. And Snapchat, a little bit faster on the left. So let's take a look at the multitasking of both phones. Everything's in the background as you can see. Both phones have 4 gigs of RAM. So let's check out the RAM management, starting with Instagram. A little bit of a stutter on the left already. CSR Racing 2. Paused and ready to resume on both phones. Angry Birds 2. Ready to go on both. Temple Run 2. Paused and ready to resume on both phones. Subway Surf. Ready to resume. Mario Run. And I believe we have a reload here on the Pixel 2 XL. Browsing on both. Still on Amazon. The NBA app. And I think both are reloading this app. Baseball app. A little bit of a slowdown on the left. eBay on both phones. A little bit faster on the Pixel 2 XL. Play Store. And call that one a tie. The clock on both. Still running the stopwatch. Calculator. A little bit faster on the Pixel 2 XL. Camera. There you go, pretty similar. And the messaging app, boom. So hit me up in the comments And let me know what you thought about this test. Are you hashtag Team Pixel, rocking the Pixel 2 XL or the regular Pixel 2 or the Pixel from last year or even the Nexus 6P? These phones running bone stock Android and arguably having the best camera on a smartphone right now. Or do you like LG phones? Like the G7, the LG V30, the LG G6 from last year. These phones having a high quality DAC for you headphone lovers out there and a pretty cool wide angle lens camera. Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.